Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I thought I'd do another tag that I've seen doing the rounds recently on YouTube, and that is the perfect subscriber tag. This was started by the channel Katie Marie. I will try and link her video and her channel down below in the description box, but that's where I understand that the video comes from, but I've seen quite a few people do it since then. This is a collection of 13 questions to see how you are as a subscriber. I just want to note first that I'm currently trying out the liquid lipstick that I picked up in my recent glossy box, and that is the Pierre Kiss Proof Lip Cream. So far I'm not impressed. It's one of those lipsticks that tastes kind of plasticky. I know you're not supposed to eat it, but you can't help but taste it. It doesn't taste nice at all, and it's not uncomfortable, but it doesn't dry down. When I did a swatch on the back of my hand, it looked like it was going to dry down quite quickly, but it stays really sticky because, I mean, if you can see, my lips stick together, which was probably the worst thing to do on an overly talky video. It's a shame because it is a really nice shade. It did apply really nicely. It just tastes not very nice and is very sticky. On to the tag. So the first question is, do you subscribe right away when you find a new channel / video, or do you try a few videos first? I would say I probably try a few videos first before subscribing. And what I usually tend to do if I find a new channel is I will add a few of their videos to my watch later playlist, and then once I've got through those videos I'll then decide whether I want to subscribe or not. There's no questions in here about the watch later playlist, but it is something that I'm probably going to reference a few times in this video because it is something I do use quite a lot, and I do really like having that watch later playlist. Because a lot of the YouTubers that I follow are American, they're obviously on completely different time zones to me. So when they upload their videos, a lot of the times it's kind of through the night for me. So I can't always watch them as soon as they're released. So what I tend to do is when I get notifications or when I'm going through my subscription feed, I will add them to my watch later playlist. And then I just watch the videos in order going through that. I did actually check before starting this video because I maybe wanted to add a little kind of question of my own, and that is, if you do use the watch later playlist, how many videos do you currently have on there? At the moment I currently have 90 videos. That in rough terms means I'm about 10 days to 2 weeks behind people's videos. I don't get a chance to watch as much as I would love to because I do work full time. I obviously film videos myself. I would love to watch videos as soon as they are released, and unless someone kind of times their video perfectly where they release it when I'm already watching something. Question 2 is, does the make sure you subscribe mantra sway you to subscribe? Honestly, no, I don't tend to hear it, if that makes sense. It's something that it gets said in most videos. I personally say it myself at the end of every one of my videos. It's kind of my outro. But if someone said it or not, it wouldn't make me subscribe to their channel anymore. If I liked them, I obviously would subscribe, but other than that, it doesn't make much difference to me. Question 3 is, how many channels do you have the notification bell on for? I do have it on for quite a few channels. I think that's kind of mainly because I sometimes miss videos in my subscription feed, so channels that I know I definitely want to watch 99% of their videos I will put the bell on for. I think I've probably got it on for probably 5 to 10 channels. I did mean to count up before I came and did this, but I completely forgot. But yeah, I think that's probably about right. It's somewhere between 5 and 10. Question 4 is, do you watch every video from your subscription feed or only your favourites? I would say I definitely only watch my favourites. There are quite a few channels that I've subscribed to because I have liked quite a few of their videos, but they're not ones that I regularly watch. They're just ones that if they do a certain type of video, I'll watch. Say for example, if they do declutters and I like their kind of decluttering, I'll probably just watch those videos. Or there's a couple of channels that do everyday makeup drawers. They're the only videos of theirs that I watch. I don't watch every single video. So I don't always watch every video on my subscription feed. I definitely wouldn't have enough time to do that. Question 5 is, how many channels do you never miss an upload for, no matter how busy you are? I don't know how that would work with the fact that I use the watch later playlist. I'm not actively watching an upload as it goes up. With regards to do I ever miss a video, there's probably about 5 channels, most of the ones that I've got the bell on for, that I don't miss a single video for. They've got videos that I will probably watch even if it's not something say it's a review on a product I necessarily can't get my hands on, like some brands in America that I can't get my hands on, I still watch the video to support them because I really like them as a person and I like their channel. Question 6 is, what kind of commenter are you? And I would say I do try and comment on every video that I watch. Most of the time I'm watching YouTube on my phone, so it is easier for me to comment. There are occasions where I will watch it through an Amazon Fire Stick on a TV, but then I will, because I'm going through my watch later playlist, then go back through when I'm deleting them from the playlist and just go and put a comment on each of them before deleting them. But I do try and comment on every video that I watch. This mainly is the beauty videos that I watch. I do watch a few other kind of comedy things or like chat shows and things like that. I don't comment on them, it is only beauty videos that I do comment on. Question 7 is, do you skip ads or watch? This is kind of circumstantial. If I'm actively in front of my phone and an advert pops up, if it's one of the 30 seconds adverts, I will just tend to play it out. If it's the kind of 3-4 minute ones, I will tend to skip them, but generally if it's not too long of an advert, I will watch it to obviously support the person whose channel I'm watching. If I have my phone to the side, if I'm doing my makeup or I'm cooking, which is another time when I do watch videos, they do tend to just play out because I haven't got my phone to hand. Question 8 is, do you speed up videos? And this is a trick that I actually only found out when I seen this tag. One of the first videos I watched of this tag, I think it might have been Makeup Molly, said about skipping videos, and she does it on most of the videos. And I didn't realise I could do it. I'd never gone into the settings and seen it that way. Since I found out you can do it, there are a lot of videos that I now watch faster. I do only tend to sort of jump to 1.25 or 1.5 speed. I know Molly said she watches things on double speed, which I've tried, but a lot of the channels I watch are sort of similar to myself in that they speak really fast, so 2 speed is kind of a no-go. But again, this is kind of also circumstantial in that I will only speed up a video if I'm actively watching it. If again I'm cooking or I'm putting my makeup on, I do just let it play at normal speed. I wouldn't be able to concentrate on it as much if it was sped up and I wasn't actively in front of my phone. I've yet to find out if you can do it on the TV. I haven't found that setting on my Amazon Fire Stick, so it's only when I watch it on my phone. But that is a tool that has helped me clear my watch later playlist a little bit quicker, which is great. Question 9 is, do you click affiliate links or use affiliate codes? If I'm honest, the answer is no to this. Mainly because, again, a lot of the YouTubers that I watch are American, so a lot of their affiliate links are to the likes of Sephora and Ulta and American sites, which I can't order from. I think I have used one affiliate code in the past for a subscription box, which might have been Glossy Box actually, and that was from a UK based subscriber. So because I was able to use the affiliate link and discount code, I did, and obviously she, I think, would have got a kickback from that. But generally, because I watch American YouTubers, I can't really use the affiliate link. If I could, I probably would. Question 10 is, what's your preference when it comes to video length? I think my sweet spot tends to be around 15 minutes to 20 minutes. I don't mind videos that are sort of 20 minutes long, but any longer than 20, I will still watch them, but it's easier for me to obviously watch 15-minute ones and get through them quicker. But again, now that I know the playback speed can be double, 20-minute videos aren't as, not intimidating as they once were, but aren't as much of a feat to watch as they once were. Sometimes when I'm trying to clear my watch later playlist down, I will just scroll down, and any videos under 10 minutes, I'll kind of just blitz as many of them as I can to get the number of my watch later playlist down. But I would say around 15 minutes is probably my preferential video length. Question 11 is, do you thumbs up most videos? The honest answer to this is no. And that is only because I use my liked videos as a reference point. I know it's not a playlist as such, but I like a video if I know I'm going to want to reference back to it in the future. So the things that I have in there, like I've got a couple of like workout videos because I want to go back to them to watch them when I work out. I've got a thumbs up videos if there's an item in there that I want to reference, or a foundation with a certain shade match and things like that. They're the kind of videos I thumbs up. I think what I probably just need to do is create another playlist, just a private playlist for videos for future use, and then I probably would go around then and thumbs up every video I watch. If I do really like a video, I will thumbs it up just out of habit because I have enjoyed it, but generally I use my liked videos playlist for different reasons, but I probably do need to change that, to be honest, because I do appreciate getting thumbs up on my videos, and I know other YouTubers would as well, so that's kind of my bad on that part. Question 12 is, do you ever thumbs down a video? In all honesty, I don't think I have ever thumbs down a video. If it's not something I'm enjoying or it's not something I agree with, I'll just click out of the video. I won't watch it any further. I don't feel the need to thumbs down. I don't really think it achieves anything, so I don't do thumbs down. And then the final question is, do you share other YouTubers' videos on your social media? And other than things like this where it's a tag, and I'll obviously mention the person whose channel it is, and now that I do have an Instagram linked to my YouTube channel, if I do share a tag or a video idea that someone else has done before, I will always credit that YouTuber in a tag on Instagram. But other than that, I don't tend to share videos. I'll kind of tell my friends about a video, but on my active social media, not really. I wouldn't know how to best do it to benefit the person that I'm sharing a video about, but no, so I don't generally do that. So that is it for the perfect subscriber tag. I challenge anyone to do this as well. I will link the questions in the description box below. I will also stick my little extra one in about the watch later playlist. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.